Hey, Northwest friends. Welcome to the November 2024 edition of your Northwest Market Update. I'm Ed Laine, your friendly real estate insider, here to unpack the latest stats and trends in our market with a little flair, of course. So let's jump in. Closed sales surged over 11% compared to last month. Why? Well, we had a brief love affair with slightly lower rates, which got buyers excited. But just when you thought it was safe to dive in, mortgage rates popped back up, ending October at 6.72. Cue the dramatic sigh. Yep, they're still feeling the upward pressure thanks to our robust job growth. Good for the economy, not always fun for your wallet. And as for home prices, they keep on rising. With a 2.4% bump from last month alone, the average median price sits at $650,000 for houses and condos, an 8% increase year over year. So if you're thinking about waiting for prices to drop, remember Stephen Barusa from the Washington Center of Real Estate Research says it best. The only thing that seems certain about this market is that houses are not becoming more affordable. Yeah, no kidding, Stephen. Active listings dipped 6% from last month, but are up nearly 30% compared to last year. That's right, folks. 14,795 homes were up for grabs at the end of October. More choices, absolutely. But not nearly enough to meet demand. Grant County, you win the inventory race with a whopping 54.6% increase in listings. Way to go, Grant County. Total sales volume, nearly $5.3 billion across homes and condos in October, up 33% year over year. Buyers take note. Competition is fierce, and sellers, if you've been waiting for a sign to list, this is it. Okay, so we saw a slight cool off in key box openings, down 7% month to month, but they're up 16% year over year. That means potential buyers are still out there checking out your fabulous digs. So what does all this mean? Well, here's the bottom line. Demand is still hot, inventory is still tight, and prices aren't backing down. So if you're a buyer, jump in before interest rates and prices climb even higher. If you're a seller, now's the time to list before conditions shift. Because trust me, they will. Thanks for tuning in to this month's Northwest Market Update. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give it a like, comment below, and share with your friends. Until next time, keep dreaming big and acting smart. Bye for now.